So when you do optimize, you optimize your antenna design pertaining to a particular parameter. Okay. What constraint function you have to optimize? So what is the optimization rule you have to give? Okay, that you have to say here. You can see a thing called constraint function, right? So constraint function will say what parameter of the antenna you have to optimize. Different things you see, whether you have to optimize the area or volume or S11 or gain or front to back ratio. Assume if you want to optimize the S11, S11 should be less than or S11 should be greater than minus n. If I'm applying and I am running, there should be at least one design variable. So when you do optimization, you have to at least have one proper criteria. So you can have only S11. The S11 is only a major portion of your thing, right? So you have to go for other parameters also. This is all about the antenna parameters. So we have taken one helical antenna for design. You can export all these things to your workspace as a variable. You can export everything. Or if you give export as a script, you can see the coding available. Maybe I'll show you that window. As I can see, I can show at a time only one tab, right? That is why I am shuffling between the windows. Now see, I have exported the code and see all the diagrams. What you saw is now available as MATLAB code. So designing and then writing code and seeing the output is old fashioned. Seeing the output and from that writing the MATLAB code, automatically generating the MATLAB code is the new thing. So whatever plot we have seen and whatever analysis we have done so far is generated as a code. You can save it and you can use it for our application whenever you want a helical antenna to be designed. You can run this program and you have your output ready. You can see the date, time, everything is coming, and you're designed using what version of MATLAB and what toolbox you're using. Everything will be displayed by your MATLAB. I think this first example is clear with everyone. So we have just seen the basic thing, how to design and a simple helical antenna using Antenna Designer app, and that app is available as a part of your MATLAB. Okay, so that thing is done. So the Antenna Designer app we have seen. So this whatever thing you are seeing now, we have step by step executed this only in the Antenna Designer app, and finally we got the answer for the design of the